Yeah, Sinead Gajira agus Hannah O'Donoghue Lake na Hannah Cogardas lat. Many congratulations. Hannah, this is your first time, I think, starting in a senior championship game for Kerry. You're 16 years of age and you scored 1-4, ending up with player of the match today. So describe to me, first of all, playing, what it was like to play out there today.
Well, I really enjoyed it. Like, the ball in was great, so that kind of helped. And I suppose once I got it then, I was just enjoying myself. So I said I'd run at him if I could. Try and put it over then, I suppose.
I mean, you got to go off to a great start. You were the person on the scoreboard, like 1-3, I think. So there's no sign of nerves, no nothing coming into today's game at all.
Well, I suppose I was a bit nervous, but nerves, I suppose, are good in the end, because they kind of, I suppose, they start you off, and once I got going, then I was fine.
And then, of course, every team has their purple patch. Armagh came back at you there. What do you think happened at that stage? Why did they come back and score 2-2 within 4 minutes period?
Well, I think Amy Mackin got 2 unbelievable goals. Like, I was looking at them there; they were very nice. Like, and I suppose she just put us under so much pressure. Like, and at least we came back then. We defended well in the second half, and I think they only got 2 points then. So we really defended well then when we needed to.
And was that the message at half-time? Up the work rate, up the intensity, up the defensive effort from everybody?
Yeah, I just think we needed to be a bit tighter at the back and I suppose get the ball forward, and things worked out well anyway, so we were happy.
Now you're through to an All-Ireland semi-final. You're going to meet Dublin, so looking forward to that, I'm sure. What are your thoughts on that?
I don't know, I suppose we were concentrating on today, so we haven't really looked forward to the next game, so we'll do that now and we'll concentrate for the next game.
Okay, but before I let you go, I've been told in my ear here now that we have your goal, so we'll have a look at your goal now. You can talk us through it, what was going through your head when you were getting this?
I don't know, I suppose it was kind of handed to me. I just had to roll it in.
Well, you rolled it in very well, and you, of course, are Lake na Himmerha. You're through to the All-Ireland semi-final where you'll meet Dublin in 2 weeks' time. And Cogardas that Hannah Rees agus to Marie Hickey, Uachtar an Common Pelgale Man and Shaw Conan Gradam of Ronu Urhi agus Cogardas Arish.